G'day guys and girls, I'm back for a bit, so I'm still struggling for time to get some decent videos out, so this is just another update. The HJ, I've started getting some high fill primer on that, starting with the back doors here. As you can see, it's resto finish primer. It's bloody good stuff. This the XT here is in it as well. So sorry guys, just had a visitor, so I got distracted. Yeah, so this is all in epoxy, the XT. It's just about ready to block down, except for the bonnet, because the owner's getting a brand new bonnet, so that's still got to go in high fill primer. But yeah, the other day I got all these parts all cleaned up, laid out, ready to put some epoxy primer on the other day, and then the hinges are still hanging, and then I realized I don't have any, so that put a dampener on my day. So yeah, I went for a drive in my 240Z instead. Got to do that sometimes. Speaking of which, we'll head down there in a minute. But yeah, the HJ, as you can see, as I said, I've just started doing the high fill primer on that, so I'm going to start putting some more time in this because I need to get it out, because I've got people waiting, got customers waiting to come in. We'll come up and have a quick look at this one up here. I'm not sure whether I've already shown you this one or not, but if not, I'm going to show you again. This one's not supposed to be here just yet, but this is a it's on the list. It's on the list, and as you can see, she's going to be quite a job. There is a donor car for panels that's still got to get here yet. It's not here, but that's an XP coupe. So anyhow, we'll go down the shed, the other shed. So next week, tomorrow, Monday, and next week, I'm going to spend on this one getting it finished, getting it done and ready to go, so the next guy can come in. Now, as you see, it's not far off. I'm not getting it running. I don't want that responsibility. It's a fresh built motor, and I don't want to have it on my head if it starts and puts a rod out the side. So I'm not touching that, but I have wired it all up, ready to go. I'm not doing the brakes, but I've plumbed them up. I'll probably bleed the clutch up, get that working at least. There's a couple other things I need to do under the car while it's over the pit, but yeah, it's pretty much there. Needs a good detail, but I think I can knock it over next week and get it done and out the door. Now, I am working on some projects to film for you, because as I said, I've been working most weekends. When I'm not working, I'm trying to organise my property and not let it get too far behind while I'm busy working. I've picked this up about 10 times today. It's my car cover. So one of the projects is I'm doing a complete cafe racer conversion on this bike. Now, I've already started making a tail section. This is just a prototype because I don't want to waste aluminium. I'm going to do the whole lot in aluminium, but I thought first I'll give it a go in steel, because if I do it up in aluminium and I don't like it, it's a whole waste of alloy. So I'm going to make a tank as well from aluminium, and the whole idea is it's going to be polished aluminium. I may do a painted section on the side of the tank just to break it up a bit, but basically it's going to be all alloy. So I am going to film that for you guys once I start working with the aluminium. This bike will be for sale once it's finished, and it'll fund the next project, personal project. Now the 240Z, my 240Z, I am enjoying it, out driving it and having fun, but it does have an issue, a large issue, which I'm going to fix. See, now, if you've watched earlier videos, you'll see that I had to repaint the roof. Well, I'm going to have to repaint the roof again because the same issue I painted the roof for last time has happened again, and I have no idea why. There's next to no body filler in that roof. It's not loose and floppy, and it's cracked in the same spot for the second time. Now, there was a sunroof in this, which I welded up, but the sunroof line is about here and the crack's there. I don't know if it's vibrations or what, but it's cracked twice and I have no idea why. So I'm going to film this and I'll show you what I've got. I've got a brand new roof skin, so I will film that, the process, because I'm not sure that there is any videos on YouTube of people doing roof skins on 240Zs. So I'll film that for you guys. But what I want to do is I want to get far enough ahead in my actual paid work where I can take a couple of weeks off, because I don't want to do it a bit at a time. I don't want my 240Z sitting there without a roof on it for months at a time. So I want to spend a full solid 2 weeks cutting this roof off, welding the new one on, and repainting the roof and rear quarters. So yeah, it's about where I am with the business and my own personal stuff. I am starting to get on top of it all. As I said, this 240Z should be done in about a week. The HJ, I'm going to spend some more time getting that out. Once they're both out, I'll have my weekends back and I can do what I want to do when I want to do it. So yeah, that'll be fantastic. Anyway guys, just a quick update, just to show you where I am. I haven't disappeared and I am trying to come back, so don't forget, like and subscribe, all of that sort of shit, and I'll see you when I'm looking at you. Bye guys.